Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making tuna totage. Now, tuna totage is not a traditional Hawaiian food, however, it's definitely a local Hawaii staple here. So hele mai, come along and let's make some tuna totage. First, let's gather all your ingredients. You'll only need a few and you probably have most of these in your pantry already. First, we'll start with a can of tuna. Go ahead and put that into a bowl. Totage is a Portuguese dish and it was made by using leftover food. It was a ways to decrease food costs and also reduce food waste. And of course, here in Hawaii, we've put a little spin on it and we like to use tuna and some other aromatics here. Next, you'll add some eggs. This recipe here that I make is more on the thinner consistency, more like an omelet kind of style. Whereas if you want more of like a burger patty, then you can either use more tuna or use less egg, and that'll help hold it together a little better. And then you'll go ahead and add some garlic. Make sure you mince it up really fine so that you don't bite into a big chunk of it. And then you'll add some green onion here as well. And then shoyu. Shoyu is soy sauce and this can be found in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores. And then you'll also add some salt and pepper. If you like it more salty, go ahead and add more. Then you go ahead and mix this up. Make sure everything is well combined. As you can see here, the mixture is very thin. Like I mentioned earlier, this one is more like an omelet consistency. Then you'll go ahead and add some panko. Panko is Japanese breadcrumbs and you can find that in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores. If you want the consistency of this thicker, you can definitely add more panko. If you don't have panko, you can use Ritz crackers or breadcrumbs here as well. After you've mixed that up well, you can add your cooking oil of choice to your pan. I've got some avocado oil here. Then you'll just go ahead and use a cookie scoop, ice cream scoop, a regular spoon, totally up to you. And you can scoop out the patties like this. And then you'll go ahead and make about 3 or 4 per pan, just so it doesn't crowd each other. I like to kind of smush them down a little so they're more spread out and they cook through evenly. So you can go ahead and use a spatula like I did here and go ahead and spread that out. And then you'll just cook this until golden brown or 3 to 5 minutes on this side. Once you get the color and consistency that you like, then you can go ahead and flip it over to the other side. It is a little thin, so go ahead and use the spatula and flip it over. And this is about the color that I like to cook mine. If you like them a little more crispy, you can cook them a little longer. You'll flip it to the other side and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown on the other side. And once they're done, you can remove them from the oil and place it on a napkin to catch the excess oil. I like to serve this with sticky white rice. You can totally serve it in a hamburger bun and make it like a sandwich style, or you can make it healthy and use some lettuce wraps. Enjoy! And that's how you make tuna totage. If you like this recipe, I'd love it if you'd give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a new video. And I post new videos every week. So, and until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.